24 Must-try Chinese dishes. Chinese cuisine is celebrated worldwide for its diverse flavors and unique cooking techniques. From the aromatic spices to the delicate presentation, there are certain must-try Chinese foods for every lover of good food. One of the iconic dishes is Peking Roast Duck, renowned for its crispy skin and succulent meat served with thin pancakes and a variety of condiments. Another classic is Kung Pao Chicken, a spicy stir-fry dish bursting with the flavors of peanuts, chili peppers, and tender chunks of chicken. For those seeking a vegetarian option, Mapo Tofu is a must-try. This fiery dish combines soft tofu, minced meat, Sichuan peppercorns, and spicy chili oil for a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Dim sum, a popular Chinese brunch tradition, offers an array of bite-sized delights like dumplings, buns, and rolls, each bursting with delicate flavors and fillings. No exploration of Chinese cuisine would be complete without sampling the world-famous fried rice. Packed with a medley of ingredients like shrimp, barbecue pork, peas, and eggs, it is a hearty and satisfying dish that is simple yet flavorful. Lastly, the ubiquitous sweet and sour pork is a staple for many. Its delectable balance of tangy sauce and crispy pork pieces makes it a beloved dish in both traditional and modern Chinese cuisine. These must-try Chinese foods showcase the rich and diverse culinary heritage of China. Whether you are a spice lover or prefer milder flavors, there is something for every palate in this vibrant cuisine. So, embark on a culinary adventure and explore the delightful flavors of Chinese cuisine today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my latest content. I have a variety of playlists covering a wide range of topics, so there's something for everyone.